Hey there, Chad Bonger for High University Libraries. If you're doing research and you need market research reports or statistics on a consumer product in an international market or in a U.S. market, Passport GMID is one of the best places to use and to look for that information. This video is going to show you how to find the information that you need for that particular research need. So for this example, let's assume we're looking for statistics on the consumer electronic goods in maybe the European Union or other European countries. So for that, what we're going to do, once the database is open, we're going to click on Consumer Markets on the left-hand side under Search Industries. There's a number of ways to do this, but this is one of the best ways I find to do this. Click on Consumer Markets. And then once this loads, it takes us to a page that has all these different checkboxes where you can basically select what you're looking for. So if we were looking for consumer electronics, we can click there, and you'll notice over on the right-hand side, it gets added to our categories. Now let's say we want to get into different subsections of consumer electronics where we can look at computers and peripherals, in-car entertainment, portable portable consumer electronics, that sort of thing. Or we can even drop that down further and get stuff on cameras, camcorders, portable media players, mobile phones, all kinds of really kind of niche markets. Okay, so it's not just a big, huge overview. It gets into some really niche markets. So if we're happy and satisfied with what's over on the right-hand side under our categories, we can then click Next. On the next screen is where you actually choose your geographies. Now we could actually go down and select, one country at a time, but if we're just wanting to look at specific countries in the European Union, over on the left-hand side, if you click on EU, it will pre-select those countries for us here in the middle of the page. And you'll notice under geographies on the right-hand side, that's where we have our information for or our countries selected and our categories selected. Now we'll go down and click Run Search. And what this will load for us, the first section is basically statistics. So if you just want statistics on consumer electronics, you can actually select what you want to there. And you can click View All Statistics or Build My Selections. And let's just do Build All Statistics just for fun. So here we have a lot of statistics for that market. You can also go down and change time series, which is quite nice. So if you want to forecast out by year, and for some product categories, it'll let you forecast out a few years. So let's do that and click Apply, and all this over in red is where it's forecasting out a number of years for those particular product areas. Okay, so I'm going to go back to our results page. So we get the statistics. Not only do you get that, you also get these reports in the bottom here. And what you can do, a lot of these are going to be company profiles and that sort of thing. It gets a whole lot of reports for us. And you see there's different things like camcorders in France, Germany. If we want to, we can go under Filter by Type and just click on Country Reports, just to not get the company profiles, unless you're interested in company profiles. But I just want to find the market research reports. So let's click on Country Reports and click Go. And then once you do that, it's just going to give us the reports that are available to us. So let's look at, let's go to the next page here maybe, and see what else we have. Computers, Italy, cameras. These are all just reports. Let's look at consumer electronics in the UK. Well, let's look at Sweden. Sweden might be a little more interesting in the UK for this particular example. So what this will give you is basically a huge market research report, and you have related reports over on the right-hand side as well. The things that talk about competition, some of the key trends in the area, trends and developments, market data, definitions, all that kind of good stuff. So a great report to look at for understanding the consumer electronics market in Sweden. Now if we go back again, we also underneath here have different what they call comments. These are basically, most of these reports get updated at least annually. If something really quickly comes up in a particular issue, they'll post like comments or kind of more issue-driven articles on the topic from Euromonitor, so from their analysts there. So that's how we'd use Passport GMID. It's kind of admittedly complex, but if you use the browse feature like we did on the left-hand side, you can really kind of drill down and find the information that you need. There is a search box up in the top right, although I seldomly use it, simply because it gets way too much information that you really want to look at. So if you know of a product that you're looking for, follow the directions outlined here, you'll sure to find something that was useful to you. Hopefully this video gives you a better idea about how to use Passport GMID to find statistics and market research reports for consumer products in international markets. If you need more help, please feel free to use the contact link page on my business blog, or just leave a comment on this blog post or on the video in general. Hopefully this helps, and let me know if I can help you along the way. Take care.